Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to easily adjust the text size in the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. If you often find web pages too small or too large to read comfortably, first, open the Dolphin browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, scroll down until you find the text size option. Next, tap on Text Size to open the adjustment controls. Then, you will see a slider that allows you to increase or decrease the text size. Drag the slider to the left or right, depending on whether you want smaller or larger text. You can see the changes immediately on the web pages you visit, which helps you set the size that is most comfortable for your reading. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give a like, and share it with others.